5 best tech gadgets for monitoring circadian health.
Curious about how to improve your sleep and overall well-being? These top tech gadgets are designed to help you monitor your circadian rhythm, giving you insights to make healthier choices. Whether you want better sleep, brighter mornings, or optimized routines, these innovative devices can guide you toward balanced circadian health.
1. Oura Ring.
The Oura Ring tracks your sleep, body temperature, heart rate, and activity levels discreetly on your finger. By providing detailed analysis of your nightly rest and readiness, the Oura Ring helps you understand your circadian patterns and suggests ways to align your schedule for optimal sleep quality and recovery.
2. Philips SmartSleep Sleep and Wake Up Light.
The Philips SmartSleep Sleep and Wake Up Light mimics natural sunrise and sunset, helping regulate your internal clock. Gradual light changes signal your body when to rise and wind down, improving sleep onset and morning alertness. This device is especially helpful for those struggling with inconsistent sleep routines or who wake up feeling groggy.
3. Whoop Fitness Tracker.
The Whoop Fitness Tracker offers continuous monitoring of your sleep quality, strain, and recovery. Its actionable insights guide you toward healthier sleep and activity patterns by alerting you to circadian disruptions. The app provides personalized recommendations, allowing users to optimize exercise and sleep timing for improved circadian health.
4. Hatch Restore.
The Hatch Restore combines a sunrise alarm, soothing sound machine, and sleep light in one device. Controlled through an app, the Hatch Restore enables you to create personalized evening and morning routines, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Its features help support a regular circadian rhythm for better sleep.
5. Fitbit Sense 2.
The Fitbit Sense 2 tracks sleep stages, heart rate variability, and stress, important factors for circadian health. Its tailored sleep score and suggested bedtime reminders help you keep a consistent sleep routine. The device also offers guidance on improving daytime habits, helping you maintain balanced circadian rhythms over time.
Choosing the right circadian health gadget.
Each of these gadgets offers unique features to support your journey toward better sleep and circadian health. Consider what fits your lifestyle, whether it's a wearable ring, smart light, or an all-in-one routine assistant. Using these tools alongside healthy habits can help you achieve restful sleep and improved well-being.